And well, today's the day where we get this ginormous turbo installed on the Honda. Now, when I dropped this car off to them, I told them that I want a bespoke turbo kit. I want something that they've never seen on any other Honda before, and I think they knocked it out of the park. And if you guys are attending Honda Fest this weekend, you guys will be able to see this in person, and I believe you guys will be blown away. But we're gonna go ahead, load this thing up, and I'll show you guys more once we get to Seattle. But this weekend, we're doing a little bit of a swap. I'm picking up the Honda from Fab, but I'm actually dropping off my STI to Fab. You guys will see in a video to come that they're doing a little bit of work on this car to get this thing back on the street, because the last video you guys saw was the dyno video, then the little ASMR video. We've actually been running into issues with this car. Which has caused us to not be able to drive this thing and do hits on the street. But very, very soon here, they're gonna get that taken care of. And we'll have both of these cars back at my shop very soon.
One down, 3 to go. Look at you, dude, you're working.
Let me get all sweaty for this 5-hour drive.
Dedication right there, holy moly.
You wanna go to the front and tighten the front while I do this one? So I'm not just wastelessly pulling. First little stop of the day, we're gonna go ahead, top this thing off with some fuel, get some food on us, and then continue hitting the road. You know what, I'm gonna say it, the new NSX is hated on way too much. That thing is so sick. It sounds amazing. I believe it just has downpipes, but I actually am a big fan of that car.
Get braked.
The next morning, about 7:30 right now, we need to go ahead and get the car brought into the show. Thankfully, overnight, it doesn't look like the Honda was tampered with, especially in Seattle. That says something. Truck and trailers, all safe and sound. But we're about to go ahead and get ready, head over to the show, get the car unloaded, try to figure out how that works, because I feel like most people drive their cars here. I'm, of course, trailering it as it does not run, but it shouldn't be too bad. Well, of course, in Seattle fashion, it is sprinkling out. And I don't have any glass in the car. Oh, man.
Big fan.
Thank you, I appreciate it, man. What's your name?
Build sick. I'm Caleb.
Nice to meet you, man.
This thing's gnarly.
Thank you, dude. It's getting there. It's not too much right now, but the engine bay looks good.
Yeah, you give me inspirement for my coupe. I've got the half and half teal coupe over there.
I'll have to go check it out. Hell yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I want to tear it down, get a nice clean hatch to build as like a daily kind of car, make that clean, and then I want to do this type of thing to the coupe.
That's awesome.
Yeah. It was nice to see you right now, but it's like I gotta bring it out in person. People can actually see like what it's like.
It looks really good, and I know
Thank you.
I've seen some of the work that you put behind it.
Yeah, massage it. But granted, it was a lot more difficult because I did crash this chassis. So if I didn't get it perfect on the frame rack, it.
Cross out the ones who never cries and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around me. My heart's so bright, it's hard to breathe.
I think this thing terrifies every Honda owner. This thing is insane. I'm excited to see this thing do some hits later on today. Then of course, my boy Brian, he brought his all-wheel drive EG hatch as well. He's going for an 8 today. The last track pass, he was hitting 9.2s, made a few adjustments, and he's hoping to shoot for some 8s today. I have a really bad signature. That's fine.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's terrible.
Dude, mine's my initials.
It's not really centered. There you go, man.
I said 928.
Oh shit! Damn! Damn!
That's fucking moving.
Damn, that's his first 8, baby. Let's go, baby! Holy shit! Let's go! Oh my god. Against the Busa. Damn. He's moving.
Out to Remy Evans and his 93.
Oh, fuck yeah. Damn.
Let's go.
It's yeah, with no windows, no nothing.
It's on that thing, man. Congratulations, bro. Let's take a picture real quick. Congratulations, bro.
Congratulations, bro. All right.
There you go.
Let's go, baby.
Choice. And all Northwest Motor staff, please come over to the booth, please. All winners, get in, get in. On the Fest Northwest 10-year winners here.
You too.
Good man. Good man.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, it's wood.
Yeah,
Can't tell that from the
pretty
pictures.
sick.
That's pretty sick.
Here's all your hard work, Craig.
That's awesome, dude.
It's a pretty sick plate.
Pretty sick.
Well, we made it back from Honda Fest and we actually took home Pacific Raceway's favorite, which is awesome. But on better news, the STI was here over the weekend and they got my ABS issue fixed, or almost fixed, I should say. Now, like you guys know, we've been battling this issue for weeks on weeks now, and then we finally realized that the ABS was flipped 180 degrees. And why that's so important is there's a longitudinal and a G sensor on this ABS. There's a positive and a negative side. With it being flipped around, it essentially kind of thinks that the car is going in reverse. But they went ahead, got their bracket remade, new lines. Now we need to go through and do the ABS bleeding procedure. And then tonight, we should be able to do our first street hit. And then I'm gonna blue ball you guys a little bit and I'll make a whole separate video of driving the hell out of this car. Well, here we go. We made it back from Seattle. We do have to go ahead and drop this car off so they can finish up a few more things. Like I mentioned, the turbo kit is finished up, but I have to go ahead and do my parachute mounts. I have to do some drive shaft loops, some fuel cell stuff, a few other small things until we can get this car brought back to our shop so we can begin our wiring. But stay tuned for this video. I've been running the issues with the STI, but I believe all the problems are now fixed. But not only did we go to our first car show with our Honda, we also won a reward, which is super cool, and the car isn't even done yet. But it's a pretty cool feeling knowing how much time, money, energy went into building this car. And we're not even done yet, but we still walked away with a trophy. So this is really, really cool. I cannot wait to bring this car out to more shows, especially once it's completed. But let me give you guys a quick rundown of everything they've done so far. They did me a custom Hood X exhaust. Obviously the whole turbo kit is custom, but they made this custom beauty plate. The exhaust exits look absolutely amazing. We got our quick release hood latches, on the carbon as well, since I no longer have my OEM core support. So this is what holds our hood down now. Our beefy 5-inch Garrett core that they custom made, the end tanks and whatnot. We have this side that is a backdoor entrance. This side is traditional. I'll go ahead and pop the hood and show you. And so this is a center feed and the clearance is not that much. They had to do a backdoor. It looks fantastic. And on this side, it goes right around the frame rail, goes to the turbo, obviously the side of the front mount there. They made custom brackets to fit our CSF half-size radiator because we are dealing with a center feed intake manifold. We cannot do the touch look, which would have been nice, but this looks amazing as is. We do also have a mid plate, as that is a thing all of these all-wheel drive Honda people are saying you must do. So we went ahead and mid-plated it. We have 100% solid billet mounts everywhere. This thing is gonna feel extremely brutal driving, but it's gonna be awesome. Our turbo kit is obviously done, a custom intake manifold. We have a billet collector, which is a really cool piece on here. But that is essentially all that they've gotten done. There's a lot of small stuff, obviously, that goes into building this. But now we're dropping this thing back off so it can do the rest of the fab work needed. So here's a little cool part I threw on this car as well, a billet fill up. This thing is super sick. It converts it to a 16 AN, which is really cool. But I think that's gonna wrap it up here, boys. I know it's been forever since you guys saw a Honda video. That is because fab work takes a ton of time, and I'm not their only customer. They have other people they are dealing with. But the Honda's getting very, very close. Very soon here, we're gonna begin our wiring process. I don't know the timeline of the rest of the stuff here, but it is dropped back off. Ball's in their court now.